Hi, good morning, and welcome to your Math and Reading Packet activity video. Today is Tuesday, October the 27th. Are you ready to get started? Make sure that you have your paper that says beautiful bird and a pencil ready. Let's go over those 3 sight words today, not 4. Ready? The, can, is. Again, ready? The, can, is. Good. All right, so today we're talking about a beautiful bird, okay? So on my screen, I have some pictures of just some birds that are just beautiful, okay? Little fun fact. My mom loves birds. She sits out at her kitchen window and just watches all the beautiful birds that fly by during the day when she's home because she loves them. All right, here are some questions to keep in that noggin of yours. Have you ever heard a bird sing before? What did it sound like? And what makes a bird so beautiful? All right, I want you to sit and listen as I read the story to you. Remember, I'm going to ask you some questions. Lucy saw the most beautiful bird at the pet store. It was a big bird with lots of bright colors on its feathers. Lucy sat and watched the bird. The bird had claws wrapped around the stand where it sat. The bird sat silently for a while, but then it started singing. Lucy liked listening to the bird sing. She began singing with the bird. They sounded great together. Then the bird got off the stand and flew around the store. Lucy followed the bird as it flew. She thought the bird was fascinating. Lucy wondered if she could get a bird one day. All right, let's go over some of those words. First word is feathers. Say feathers. Good, feathers. What are feathers? Well, feathers are just kind of like what birds use to keep warm, and they have distinct colors. So we know that like a cardinal will always have red feathers, and it's a way that we identify, kind of like birds have names, but like we have names, and we know like who each other are. Well, birds can look at each other and know which kind of birds, and we can too by their feathers, what kind of birds they are, like red feathers or blue feathers. So it's a way for us to know what bird it is, and it's also something that keeps them warm and helps them fly. So feathers. Our next word is fascinating. What word? Fascinating. Good job. It just means something wonderful. So something that you think is just absolutely wonderful. You love it. It's fascinating. It's very interesting. Our next word is wonder. So to wonder about something means you're going to think about it. So if I wonder what I'm going to have for lunch later, I'm going to think about, what do I want? So it's a way of thinking. So if you wonder about something, it's a way of thinking about something. All right, let's go over your sight words again. Ready? The, can, is. Again, ready? The, can, is. All right, let's read the story together. I'll read it all the way first, and then we'll go back and read it together. The bird is big. The bird can sit. The bird can fly. The bird can sing. I like the bird. All right, let's do one sentence at a time. The bird is big. The bird can sit. The bird can fly. The bird can sing. I like the bird. One more time, ready? The bird is big. The bird can sit. The bird can fly. The bird can sing. I like the bird. Good job. All right, let's go over those sight words. So your first sight word is the. So go ahead and circle the. Let's do something different today. I want you to go through and circle all the times you see the word the. So it's Talking Tess, Harry Hatman, and Eddie Elephant. Well, technically Mr. E. So go through and I want you to circle every time you see the word the. Go ahead. Coffee break. Next, I want you to go through and circle the word is. We only have one. Is. And then once you finish that, you can circle the word can. You have 3 of them. Can. Okay. All right. So let's find, make myself a little bit bigger so y'all can see my paper too. There we go. Okay, so let's find this little box right here with our 2 lines. It says, what can the bird do? The bird can sing, because in our paper it says the bird can sing, and the bird can sit. So let's write the word sing first. Let me get my little pencil too. Let me get a marker so y'all can see it. Our first word is sing. So we have Sammy Snake. Empty ink. Noisy Nick. And Golden Girl. Sing. All right, on this line, let's write the word sit. Ready? Sammy Snake. Eh, eh, eh. Impy Ink. And Talking Test. Okay. All right. And now let's see this last one, this last little box. This box says, what did the bird do at the pet store? What did it do? I wrote the word fly. So I'll write that word right here. Let's write it at the very bottom, right here. So first is Firefighter Fred. Next we have Lucy Lamplight. And our last one is Yellow Yo-Yo Man. Wonderful job. And on your own time, not right now, I want you to just draw a picture of a bird the best way that you can, okay? All right, let's flip that paper over really fast and I'm going to explain what to do on your other paper, okay? So go ahead and flip it over. Remember, if you need more time, hit that button that looks like this one. It has like 2 little lines like this, and it'll make me freeze. It'll give you more time to do this, and then you can come back to your math later if you'd like. Okay. Let's do your math. All right, so go ahead and get out your crayons. Remember, you can hit the pause button if you're not ready. Okay. All right, let's start with this one. What color? Red. Good. So every time you see a circle on your paper, I want you to color it what color? Red. Now remember, those are not circles. Look, they have corners and straight lines. Those aren't circles. Remember, circles are perfectly round. So make sure you find the actual circles. There's some at the very bottom. Okay, so color your circle right here. Can you please color that red so you'll know for later? So color your circle red. Okay. All right, put your red crayon down for now. Let's pick up your blue one. Remember, this one has 6 sides. That means it is called a hexagon. Color this hexagon blue, please. Right here. Color it blue right here at the top of your paper. Remember, here's some hexagons because we see corners and sides and everything. in straight lines. All right, next, find your green crayon and color this star green. Good. Remember, your circle is red, your hexagon is blue, and your star is green. We have two more. All right, find your yellow. You're going to color all of your rectangles. Remember, it's not a square because it's not, the sides are shorter than the top, okay? So it's going to be yellow. So color your rectangle yellow. So every time you see your rectangle, you're going to color it what color? Yellow. Remember, circle is red, hexagon's blue, star is green, rectangle is yellow, and last one we have a rhombus, but it looks like a diamond. A rhombus, it's a certain kind of rectangle as well because it has four sides. That rhombus is going to be black. So find your black crayon. And remember, it looks like a star, but we call it a rhombus, a star, a diamond. It looks like a diamond, but we call it a rhombus. So color that black. Okay, so red, blue, green, yellow, black. Again, this should be red. Your circle is red up here. Your hexagon is blue. Your star is green. Your rectangle is yellow, and your rhombus or diamond is black. Okay? I'm going to let you color this on your own. It's a very pretty picture. Okay? I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will